Hi buddies, welcome back to my channel Tyro's buddy Anila. Today we are going to see the remedy for dark neck just with two ingredients. The first and the most important ingredient here is rice flour. Rice flour is the most important ingredient for whitening your skin, which is used for closing your pores and tightens your skin. The next ingredient we are using here is tomato. We'll cut it in half. It helps in reducing open pores and blackheads and also acts as a skin whitener. Just dip the tomato in the rice flour and just apply on your neck. You can use this remedy for uneven skin tone. Even you can use in your hand, sun-tanned hand and legs. This remedy will help you overcome the uneven skin in your body. And now I'll apply and show you. Apply as shown in circular motion, gradually, not in a harsh way. Apply all over your neck, front and back, both sides. As I told you, this remedy will help you in overcoming the uneven skin tone in your body. You must apply this about a month and see the drastic difference in your neck. You can see the visible difference in a week, but for the best result, use it for a month. Even I am using this daily nowadays and I could see the difference in my neck, so I am recommending you to do the same. Let it dry for about 15 minutes. After that, you can wash it. I have shown you the best remedy for the dark necks, so don't forget to like and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Hope you liked the video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and do try this at home. You will definitely thank me later. Thank you.